After the highly anticipated launch of the Galaxy S24 series, early benchmark tests are shedding light on the device's performance. YouTuber NL Tech recently posted a comprehensive video comparing the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra in popular benchmarking apps like Geekbench 6, and 22, and 3D Mark. The S24 and S24 Plus are equipped with the Exynos 2400 chip, while the S24 Ultra features a slightly overclocked version of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, customized for Galaxy devices. It's worth noting that all three phones are running pre-release firmware, so their scores may differ from the final consumer-ready versions. Despite this, the tests provide valuable insights into the capabilities of the new Samsung chipset and its comparison to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. In the Geekbench 6 CPU test, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 shows a slight lead in both single-core and multi-core scores. Although the difference in single-core performance is minimal, the Qualcomm chip has a slight advantage in multi-core scores. Interestingly, during the GPU test, the Exynos 2400 takes the lead, with the S24 and S24 Plus outperforming the S24 Ultra equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Antutu tests favor the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the S24 Ultra, but the gap between the two chips remains relatively small.